I think that our overall aim is to get our vaccination numbers up. And I think that as an overall goal, in order to protect our population is what is key. I think that measures have to be put in place in order to get those numbers up. However, the decision in terms of a mandate is a decision that will be taken by the cabinet of the country. If you look at the WHO's position on it, there are several things that have to be considered in terms of the vaccines, the availability of the vaccines, the efficacy of the vaccines, the risk that persons within the country are at. And we would have carefully, and we are carefully considering all of these items. But the bottom line is that in order to protect the population and for us to be able to get back to as near normal as we can, we need to get our numbers up.